Hello, how are you? This is Mzee Manasa as usual. We are going to share a lesson of mathematics. As you remember, last time we were calculating the perimeter of a square. And we said that the perimeter of a square is simply side times 4. That is the short form we saw, which is simple for us to get a perimeter of a square. Having more examples, if our side is 6 centimeters, our perimeter will be 6 centimeters times 4, and the perimeter will now be 24 centimeters. Do you remember? Yes. Having side as 11 centimeters, we can now get a perimeter by using our formula. Side times 4, perimeter is 11 centimeters times 4, and the perimeter is 44 centimeters. Very good. Now, as written on the chalkboard, we can have a side while having a perimeter. We are going to calculate or to find the side of a square when we are given its perimeter. We are given a perimeter, we need a side. We get it from the formula we have. As it's written, our perimeter as side times 4. From this formula, we can also get a formula of calculating our side. Let's simply take our two sides. We have the side of perimeter and the side of the formula. That's to mean the two sides are separated by equal signs. We have the left side and the right side. Now, let's divide both sides by what? By 4. Dividing here by 4, I also do it here. I divide by 4. Now, here I have 4 up and 4 down. Let me cancel the 4. I'm left with perimeter over 4 equals our side. Oh, wow. Have you seen? It means that now our side can be calculated by getting our perimeter and we divide it by 4. Is it true? Yes, it is. Let's see. From the examples we have here, we have seen perimeter as 24 centimeters. We have perimeter as 44 centimeters. Here we had a side as 6 centimeters, a side as 11 centimeters. Let's use these perimeters and we see whether we can get the sides we are given before. Let's try. In example number 1, our perimeter is 24 centimeters. And remember, the formula we are coming to get is that the side equals perimeter divided by 4. Taking our perimeter as 24 centimeters, We divide by 4. Our side, 24 divided by 4, we get 6. We'll write centimeters. Is it the side we had before? Let's check. Good. It's now correct. A side is calculated by getting a perimeter and we divide it by 4. Using example number 2, our perimeter was 44 centimeters. The formula side equals perimeter over 4. Let's now apply our formula, replacing P by its value, and we see whether we are getting 11 we had. Our side now is 44 centimeters. We divide by 4. Then our side becomes 11 centimeters. Very good. Now, after this, we can see and conclude by saying that our formula is correct. Always we use this formula of getting the side while having a perimeter. I repeat, to get a side of a square while having the perimeter, what do? We get a perimeter and we divide it by 4. Let's have the last example and we end our lesson of today. Taking the perimeter as 64 centimeters, let's find the perimeter. Let's find the side of this square having perimeter as 64 centimeters. Now, our side will simply be perimeter over 4. Our side is 64 centimeters divided by 4. Side becomes what? Okay, let's divide. But it's very simple, but let's use this wrong division and we divide. We write here 64, right here 4. Now 6 divided by 4, we put there 1. 1 times 4 is 4, we write it here and subtract. 6 minus 4 is 2. We bring 4 down. Which number can we multiply by 4 to get 24? From our multiplication table, we know that is 6. Now, 6 times 4, 24. We subtract. 2 minus 2, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. Good. The answer is 16. Now, we'll write our 16 from here. Our side becomes 16 centimeters. That is our side. Thank you very much. Let's meet next time.